Hello, how is everyone? This is your Punjabi. This is DJ Kokoy Martin, but I can still remember how past the time is. I am saying namaste for everyone. I'm no more Korean right now. I just wanted to say to everyone that I am a happy Korean, I'm a happy Indian, and I want to say thank you for everyone who's supporting my videos. And remember at the time that you will be asking me if I can speak more of Indian words. So definitely for the coming videos, I'll be showing you how good I am in talking in Indian accent. Like I can hang it back in my head like this, and for all of the supporters, keep on watching my videos. I am more liking of saying of Indian words like Namaste Radha Samaji. What is your favorite food? My favorite food in Indian is samosas, and I love to eat of chapati. Chapati is very delicious, and more of wasabi because it's very spicy, and I'm a little silly. What you call that kolikot, and that is a very spicy one, and we make kilo of that. And yes, this is my new look. I cut my hair, and this is going to be a new discovery of my life, discovering of what I can do aside from being Korean. I can speak in Indian accent, and this is going to be one of my talent. So for everyone who is always asking me, thank you very much. By the way, I am selling you. I have something here. This is for only 50 pesos. Actually, this is 150. This is a radio. I'll be saying it for only 50 pesos. If you cannot build this now, I can give it to you for only 50 pesos. This is 150, but now this is 50 pesos. So hurry, just post it for friends for more details. And this radio is a very limited stock only. So no more just like this radio in India, only in the Philippines. I just bought it in younger, and it's it's not quite expensive. It's very affordable. So this is for you. Namaste. Hello, this is once again your Punjabi. Namaste, Rara Samedji. This is your Kokoy Martin. Aside from talking in Korean, I can talk in Indian because I'm half Korean, half Indian. I was saying I am selling now. This is chocolate. This chocolate is only 350 pesos, but I'll be selling it for only 150 for you. This is very delicious. It is made of cocoa, and the cocoa is one of the sweetened tablia here in Davao City. This is for you. This is available right now. So if you do have money, you're asking me for lending. No more lending anymore. No more 5 6. I hate collectibles. I hate the Filipinos when I am lending money, and then when I am in their houses, they're hiding. No more paying, no more paying anymore. So I stop obeying of my business 5 6. So I'm just online selling of honey. This honey is this is a pollen honey. This is a pure from a bees. From India bees. This is for only 250 only. So this is quite affordable for you. This is for all of you. If you have diseases, like if you have a skin allergy, you all you need to do is to drink this honey. It's a very affordable one. Thank you very much. I really wanted to say thank you for everyone from Alabama with love, and from people with Punjabi, and from my friends in Indian nationals in DMISF and DMIMS. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone. This is Korean, but I am Korean, but I'm Indian. Look at my eyebrows. It's very made of a lot of hair. So I cannot speak in this language anymore. I can speak to you. Yeah, I'm not crazy, but this is bloody disgusting if I can express myself in our language, because this is really a wrong language. This is how we speak. This is how we hide banging. Little bit like a rock star. And then no more bicycle riding. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.